Well, it's been pretty quiet weather-wise today. Many of us actually caught a glimpse of the sunshine, but I hope you've made the most of it because over the next 24 hours, we're in for some more rain. A weather warning coming into force at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for the Met Office. That will be for some really heavy rain across the region. Out there at the moment, though, this is how things are looking. Quite a bit of cloud on the scene through this evening and tonight. Yes, some outbreaks of rain, but not amounting to very much for the time being. And of course, with the cloud cover, that's likely to keep temperatures up. So nowhere near as chilly as last night, lows around 5 or 6 Celsius. But the cloud low enough to give some misty, murky conditions in places once again. Tomorrow morning then, yes, a cloudy start, and then it won't be long at all before we see that rain piling in from the south, that weather warning coming into force from 9 o'clock. The potential for some tricky driving conditions and even some localised flooding with some fairly saturated ground after all the recent rain. Nevertheless, temperatures for one or two of us creeping up into double figures, just not feeling all that pleasant underneath the cloud and rain. As we head overnight into Friday though, the worst of the rain clears away and then a mixture of bright spells and showers to follow. Well, it certainly has been fairly quiet out there today. Some sunshine for many of us for a time as well, but it's not set to last. In fact, for tomorrow, the Met Office have a rain warning coming into force, the likelihood of some heavy downpours and the risk of some localised flooding. More on that in a moment. For now, quite a bit of cloud on the scene. Some outbreaks of rain working across the region through this evening and tonight, but not really amounting to very much. And of course, with the cloud cover and winds coming in from the south and southwest, it's not going to be anywhere near as chilly as last night. Lows probably around 6 or 7 for many. Tomorrow morning then, a grey start, some low cloud around, making it a bit misty and murky initially, and then the rain comes in, piling its way northwards through the morning, lasting right into the afternoon as well. That weather warning comes into force at 9 o'clock in the morning. As I said, the risk of some localised flooding, some tricky conditions on the roads, but despite that, temperatures on a par with today. Now that rain will slowly clear away eastwards overnight into Friday. Thereafter, signs of an improvement. Yes, some brighter spells to round off the working week, but equally some showers, one or two of which could be heavy.